Part 5. Detailed Cleaning. If an automated cleaning with a card does not resolve your issues, sometimes a more thorough manual cleaning may be necessary. To access the scanner's image sensors, start by removing the outside cover as shown. Both image sensors can be accessed by gently pinching the latch and swinging the door outward as shown. Carefully wipe the glass with either an alcohol wipe or a digital check cleaning swab. Be sure to wipe the glass first before using it on any other parts of the scanner. If you are still experiencing paper jams, inspect the paper track for loose objects such as staples or paper clips that may have come off of checks while scanning. You can blow out the track with a can of compressed air, always pointing the nozzle toward the front of the scanner to blow debris out of the track. You can remove the outer covers and wipe around the edges of the paper track. Be sure to wipe around the endorser felt pad that collects excess ink at the rear. The endorser felt pad can be removed as shown, and the pad or the entire assembly can be replaced. Visit www.digitalcheck.com for product information and training tips. Order supplies online at store.digitalcheck.com.